The collision theory of chemical reaction is given by Max Stirn and William Lewis in 1916-18. This is based on the kinetic theory of gases. According to them, all the reactant molecules are hard sphere. They must combine with each other, they must colloid with each other to be converted in the form of product. They have told about the collision frequency. Collision frequency is defined as the frequency of the reacting molecule per unit volume per second. It is denoted by Z. Now suppose A and B are combining together to form product. The rate is equal to Z E minus EA upon RT. Z is collision frequency. EA minus RT is the fraction of molecules whose energy is equal to or more than threshold energy, and that will be converted in the form of product. But the problem is that all the collisions are not effective collisions. This is true for atoms, molecules, but for the complexes there are always deviation. Only those collisions will be converted in the form of product, which are known by the name of effective collision. The collision where molecule colloid with sufficient kinetic energy, whose energy is equal to or more than that of a threshold energy. But there is one more factor that is very much important, which is required for the formation of product, that is orientation. I will discuss this orientation by taking an example. Suppose the reaction of methyl bromide is taking place with OH for the formation of methanol. If this OH strike with this methyl bromide from the front, there will be no product formation takes place, as the orientation is not proper. But if it will attack from that of a back, there will be the formation of product taking place, and the molecule will be converted in the form of methanol. Similarly, I can give you one more example. If the formation of carbon dioxide is to take place, the oxygen must combine with carbon only from that of a front. If one of the oxygen molecule is at the back and one of the oxygen molecule is at the front, there will be no formation of carbon dioxide takes place. So that means there are two factors. One which is known by the name of a energy factor, and second one is known by the name of orientation factors, which are necessary for the formation of product. So there has been made certain change in this equation. This equation become rate is equal to P Z E minus EA upon RT. P is known by the name of a steric factor or probability factor, which is responsible for the proper orientation. Now there are few disadvantages of this collision theory. First, the atoms and molecules are considered to be hard sphere. Second, no structural aspects of molecules has been taken into consideration. That has been all explained in transition theory, but that is not in our syllabus. Go through notes. If there is any query, let me know.